A website should tell a story. It should be striking and flow seamlessly from page to page. To help you achieve this, we've listed our Envato Elements Top 10 Best Elementor Template Kits for 2020. Elementor is the perfect tool to help you create stunning pages for your WordPress website. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Food Blog Template Kit by AxiomThemes. A crisp, delicate design, our first cab off the rank is a food blogger's perfect companion. Set pictures of your recipes against the stark white background of this template to ensure they are your site's most prominent feature. Number 9. Eco. Environment and Ecology Template Kit by ArrowHiTech. Lovers of the environment and all things plants and animals will be captivated by this Elementor template kit. Fundraising and advocating for environmental awareness and animal rights is easily achieved with this gorgeous design. Number 8. Appy. Sales and Landing Page Template Kit by SoftHopper. The unique, minimalist design of this app template kit is perfect for the modern entrepreneur. Showcase your products and services across this beautiful app template as the design elements flow effortlessly throughout the site. Number 7. Faber. Template Kits for Tech Company by deTheme. Number 7 on our list of top 10 best Elementor template kits for 2020 is a website template kit built for the future. Striking colors and blocks that fit together like the perfect puzzle complement each other masterfully. Number 6. Spring Watercolor and Floral Template Kit by dtbaker. This stunning website template kit includes 100 plus Elementor sections for customization. Beautiful borders surround the contents of your website to highlight only the best angles of your jewelry, fashion, aromatherapy products, and other collections. We're midway through our list of Envato Elements Top 10 Best Elementor Template Kits for 2020. Please take the time to like and subscribe to our channel if you've enjoyed this video so far. Number 5. Medyplus Medical Clinic Template Kit by ArrowHiTech. Looking for a way to improve your clinic or medical facility website? This Elementor template kit is the perfect solution. Everything from booking appointments to purchasing health products will become such an easy process for your clients with this template's user-friendly interface. Number 4. Encore Multi-Purpose Business Template Kit by deTheme. This influential theme is perfect for any agency or business striving to be at the forefront of their industry. Bring your content to life with video-enabling capabilities and versatile, user-friendly features. The creativity within this template kit knows no bounds. Number 3. Silion Digital Marketing Elementor Template Kit by Nunforest. Fully responsive and SEO-friendly, this Elementor template kit is a digital marketer's dream. Gorgeous graphics provide a modern feel with every feature easy to use and awaiting your creative touch to transform the template into your own amazing creation. Number 2. The Restaurant Elementor Template Kit by cmsmasters. On the menu in our number 2 spot is a sophisticated template, fit for the restaurant, cafe, or bistro scene. Make your menu pop with the gorgeous designs and animated elements this Elementor template kit has to offer. Number 1. Kaleo Creative Portfolio Template Kit by deTheme. Perfect for designers, photographers, and artists, the Elementor template kit taking out our number 1 spot is pixel-perfect design and works flawlessly across device screens of various sizes. The images you see in the demo are included in the product download package. How's that for value? Are you thinking of launching or relaunching your website anytime soon? Which of these template kits on our list of Envato Elements Top 10 Best Elementor Template Kits for 2020 would you choose to use? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel to ensure you don't miss out on any of our upcoming content. Be sure to check out the next video. It's been created just for you. You can access all the Elementor template kits in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements. Your perfect website is just a download away.